Wow, thank you for showing us that. That is so cool. We look like we're smiling at you, like a little Cheshire cat.
Yeah, that is exactly the same comment that we made, and then that's why we put Victor beside it for his smile, and took a picture of him there. His smile is as bright as your smile.
I believe it. Thank you.
Sunny 16 when you need to take a picture of a happy hike.
Now Ecom is as happy as the earth.
And Houston, you're seeing a little bit of a CCU dump, yourselves, Crescent Earth, and a solar array. So it's a pretty sweet view out window one right now. And I'll move over to the other window so you can see the full-scale dump in a second. I know you've seen it before with the saw cam.
This is great. We look great together. We see the blizzard. Cool. Thank you.
This is Artemis Mission Control in Houston, Texas. The crew providing us some first-hand footage there using the internal cameras inside the Orion spacecraft. They were showing us a view of the moon out of one of the windows, and now they are showing a wastewater dump out of a different window.
Integrity, that was really cool. We are curious on the quantity of that. Was that the full bag that you're dumping, or is that a CCU?
That was a single CCU, well hydrated.
Very impressive. Good job. And Integrity crew, your email sync is complete, so you can go back hands-on email. But for Reed, we're looking for around 20 minutes to clean up from a power cycle on your PCD. Not urgent. Let us know when a good time is.